Hey y'all, now before anyone blows up my email box or my DMs, I just want to say first that the weekly meal plans and all of our mini meal plans and all that stuff are not going away, okay? I don't want anyone to think that those are going to stop, okay? Because those will be around for a very long time. The meal plans and the recipes for low budget families has been a core of our mission since the very beginning, and that is not changing. But the sad news that I have to tell everybody is that I'm going to have to give YouTube a break for a while. I was talking with my husband a few days ago, and I realized that I just need to make some changes. And it comes down to a couple reasons. Right now, my life is just super hectic, and I brought it on myself because I run Lodo Family on multiple channels like Facebook and Pinterest, and of course the website. And I've given it a shot on things like TikTok and Instagram, and I have just spread myself too thin because I also work for a local nonprofit that helps families in my county. And as much as I would love to be able to do all the things all the time, I just run out of time every week. And honestly, it is so stressful. So I've had to have some really honest conversations with myself and just to start cutting back on some things. And I've cut some things that I really love, like my food news podcast, because at the end of the day, they don't really move the needle towards the goals that I'm trying to accomplish. And I've been really trying to figure out that whole work-life balance thing. And to be honest, I will probably never have balance. So I am going for work-life harmony, if you will. And like I said, I've just stretched myself so thin and I'm trying to do everything myself. And, I know some of these channels have a huge team behind them and I don't. It is just me. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop making YouTube videos. Right now, we've been doing 2 a week. And honestly, they just stress me out so much. I enjoy the actual making of the video, but there's a lot that goes behind, creating the content and then recording it and then uploading it and always having it done by a certain time. And I just constantly worry about getting them out on time. And so I've decided that time can be spent better in other places. So, to be honest, who wants to worry about the same thing every week and not do anything to change it? Honestly, that would be crazy, right? To just constantly stress yourself out, but not change anything to make it better. So while I won't be on YouTube every week, you can still get all of the same great meal plans and meal ideas and recipes, but you're just going to have to go to my website to get them. You're going to have to go to Facebook, or if you sign up for our weekly email that goes out on Fridays, it's just a newsletter. It gives you all of our new content. Those are pretty much the only ways that you're going to be able to get the information from Lodo Family. So I want to thank you all for being part of this channel and this journey. And you know what? If things change and I have more time, I'm definitely going to work on this channel. So there's a good chance that I may come back once I have, restructured, if you will. So I've really, really enjoyed this, but I'm going to have to take a break. So I hope you all have a wonderful week and hopefully I will see you on another platform. Have a great day. Bye.